Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing two portable showers that are more budget friendly than the road shower one that I have on my truck. And I'm making this video based on some comments and some messages that I got from people who were talking about how the road shower is a little pricey. So I've got a couple of options here for you, and you can take your pick and see if these will work out for your truck camping adventures. Let's get started. Okay, so the first option here is the Nemo Helio LX. It is a solar shower, meaning that you fill it up, put it in the sun, and the sun heats up the water. It has a foot pump to keep it pressurized. It has a water nozzle with a continuous flow. You can put it on continuous flow, or you can just make it to where you press it. It holds 5.8 gallons of water. It stands about 22 to 24 inches tall whenever it's full. And I've had great success with this in the sense that I've never had a problem with it. Now, some people on Amazon were complaining that it loses pressure after the fourth shower. I've not had that problem. And it's just a great portable option. It retails for $149.95 on Amazon. They do have a smaller version, which is, I think it holds 3 gallons. And it is $99.95. So compared to the $500 road shower that's on my truck, this is a really good option as well. And it folds down almost to nothing. So you can make your choice whether this is the right one for you. I'll leave a link in the description below to it. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so the next option is more of a do-it-yourself option. This is a brand new insecticide sprayer. It's a 2-gallon that I bought for $24.95. I painted it black. I've got several coats of black paint on this, so it works the same way as the Nemo Helio. It only holds 2 gallons, so that's that's kind of a con to it. It's a little bit more bulky than the Helio, so that's a con, but this is a great price. And I've seen people actually be able to take the nozzle and put on a spray nozzle based on, they've cut this off and they put a regular spray nozzle on it. I opted just to keep the misting one. So it works basically same way. You just pump it up until you can't pump it anymore. And it's got pretty good pressure. Now you do have to keep pumping it. It will lose pressure, but they all will. So there you go. If you don't mind the spray on this, you could have a portable shower option for as little as $24.95. And a lot of people do this. A lot of people use this method, and I totally swear by it as well. So if you want the most budget friendly and you don't care about how much, if you don't care about just having 2 gallons to wash off with, then this is your option. It's also great for washing dishes at camp. So there you go. Do it yourself. Okay, so there you go. There are your two options. They're more budget friendly than the road shower. They are pretty convenient. So if you are considering what to use for a portable shower, you've got the do-it-yourself, which is the cheapest option, and you've got the Nemo Helio LX. Both are great options. So just decide according to your budget. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching this, and make sure you get out there and explore, and we will see you later. Peace.